If you're constantly second-guessing your cleaning business's pricing and wishing you could just charge more, then we're about to fix that. And does this describe your current business? You show up, you work hard, you deliver incredible results, but your bank account balance doesn't match the effort. If so, you're not alone. And here's something most owners don't realize. Pricing is one of the main things that holds cleaning businesses back from getting where they want. Why? Because pricing touches every part of your business. It touches your profits, your ability to grow, your ability to hire great team members, and it touches your sanity and quality of life as the owner. So in this video, I'm sharing a very simple framework that will ensure you price for profit, for growth, and for peace of mind. And if after watching, you want to learn how to work directly with me, click the link below this video. Step number 1, understand that pricing isn't personal. This is where most cleaning business owners completely mess up. They think things like this: would I pay this much for cleaning? Or will they think I'm greedy for charging this much? But here's what you need to understand. That mindset destroys cleaning businesses. You are not your customer, and your prices are a business strategy, not a personal reflection of your worth. And as I said earlier, your prices touch everything in your business. To illustrate that, think of your prices like the foundation of a house. What happens when a house gets built on a foundation with a crack in it? The whole house becomes compromised. So if your pricing strategy is flawed, your whole business becomes compromised. And the higher you build your house or business, the more those flaws become apparent. So instead of asking, would I pay this much for cleaning? Ask this instead: what would it take for me to pay this much for cleaning? What problems would the cleaning business have to solve for me? How easy would they have to be to work with? How much would I have to trust them? When you can answer those questions, charging more for cleaning, like a lot more, becomes way easier. Step number 2, know your numbers. This one isn't exciting, but it's crucial. If you don't know exactly how much it costs you to clean a house or office, then you're flying blind. And not knowing this information only makes figuring out your pricing even more of a guessing game. So things like labor, supplies, drive time, insurance, marketing. Do you know what those numbers are in your business? If you do, then great. You're one step closer to dialing in your pricing. But if you don't, your pricing just becomes a bunch of scared guesses. So take a few hours this week and run the numbers. What's your hourly rate after expenses? What's your break-even point? What does it actually take to pay yourself and grow your business? Once you know those numbers, pricing becomes simple. You're no longer guessing, you're calculating. And you can calculate your way right to the business of your dreams. And an added bonus, knowing your actual numbers will give you a huge boost of confidence. Step number 3, sell custom cleaning solutions. This one is so important. Instead of slapping clients with a one-size-fits-all price sheet, take a more custom approach. Ask good questions during your walkthrough. Learn what they actually need. What problems are they trying to solve? Then create a custom solution that fits their space, their needs, and their lifestyle. And in commercial cleaning, one that fits their budget. This is how you stand out from 90% of your competition. You're not just a cleaner showing up with a mop. You're a professional business offering a custom experience. And when people feel like the service was designed specifically for them, they are way more likely to pay premium prices. And here's a practical way to implement that. During your next walkthrough, say something like this: since every property is different, I'm going to build a custom cleaning plan that fits your space and your needs. That one sentence builds trust and positions you as the expert, instead of just another cheap cleaning business trying to win on price. And building custom solutions is exactly how our coaching student Sarah here landed a single post-construction job worth over $5,000. To learn how to get these results in your cleaning business, click the link below after we wrap up this video. Step number 4, practice saying your price with confidence. Okay, so this is a big one, but pricing isn't just math. It's communication. You could have the perfect price, but if you sound unsure when you say it, people will smell your fear, and they'll either negotiate you down or they will walk away completely. So here's a little script to try. For this type of clean, your total is blank. and that includes everything we discussed. Then stop talking. Don't justify it. Don't explain it. Don't apologize for it. Let the silence do the work. When you sound good saying it, you'd be amazed at how many people will simply reply, "Sounds good, let's do it." Remember, you're running a business, and your pricing reflects the value you deliver. And when you believe in that value, your clients will too. And step number 5, expect some no's and be okay with it. If everyone is saying yes to your prices, then you're too cheap. You should be getting some pushback. That means you're priced for profit. But please remember, a no is not personal. It's just data. It tells you where the client is at and what kind of cleaning business they're looking for. You're not for everyone, and that's okay. You don't need to be. You just need to be priced right for the clients you do want, the ones who value your work, the ones who pay on time, the ones who respect your business. Those are your people. And when you price correctly, you'll attract them naturally. Like Catherine here, who, after getting our personal help with a commercial bid, sent a client even higher pricing, which the client accepted. This is exactly what happens over and over again when you follow the frameworks in this video. So building a profitable cleaning business starts with pricing that reflects your value, not your fear. And when you get this right, everything gets easier. Your income goes up, your stress goes down, and you finally feel in control of your business. You're not just cleaning spaces, you're creating peace of mind, you're solving problems, you're giving people their time back, and that is incredibly valuable. But if you're still not 100% clear on how to price your services, or you feel like you're undercharging and you don't know how to fix it, then I want to help you. Click the link below to learn the next steps so we can build what you want together. And remember, more profit equals more freedom.